In the year 2002, Loligo Systems started as a spin-off from the University of Copenhagen in Denmark. Since then, we've been devoted to the development of unique scientific equipment primarily for measuring oxygen consumption rates, swimming performance, and behavior in aquatic animals. Today, Loligo Systems is a AAA company, and more than 500 scientists in 50 countries use Loligo equipment in their research. As a result, several hundred peer-reviewed papers in international scientific journals refer to the use of Loligo equipment. Product applications range from basic research in aquatic animal respiration, exercise physiology, ecophysiology, bioenergetics and behavior, to more applied research using zebrafish and other model animal systems for ecotoxicology, neuroscience, or biomedicine. Through the years, Loligo Systems have supported the scientific community, sponsoring many meetings, symposia, and student prizes. Offering free advice and support to students, junior and senior scientists is something we do every day and take pride in.